Hello YouTube fam, my name is Miles Chama, and thank you for clicking in to watch this video. So today I'm going to show you how to verify your account, your Remotask account. So it's so simple, it's just simple. You just follow the instructions given and then you'll be good to go. So let's get started. So a pop-up menu will appear on your screen on your Remotask website, and then you'll be required first to enter your phone number. That's the number you used when creating the Remotask account. So you enter the number, and you must be careful when entering so that you enter the correct phone number, and then you wait. So when you enter the wrong number, you will do not give you access. So you have to retry it again until you enter the correct number. When you try it like 3 to 4 times and it fails, so it will give you like 12 hours so that you can try it again. So to avoid that, just be careful when entering your phone number. Yeah. So I'm trying it again, and yeah, it has accepted, and now you wait for the verification code, and then you enter it, and then you just click verify, and it's that simple. Yeah, like that. Thank you for watching to the end. I hope you find this helpful, and let me know your thoughts. Please comment down below and kindly like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Until next time, goodbye.